Just stand in the eye of time. Nobody's losing.
Namaste and welcome to a new video. Holi is almost here and I can already feel the festive energy in the air. The sound of laughters, the aroma of delicious home cooked treats, and the vibrant color that fills every corner. It truly feels magical. But let's be honest, prepping for Holi can also feel a bit overwhelming. I don't know about you, I do feel it. So in today's video, I'll take you behind the scenes as I prepare for a budget-friendly, cozy, colorful Holi celebration filled with home-cooked goodness, zero-cost DIY decor ideas, and few festive Amazon finds. First thing I tackle before any festival is meal prep. It saves so much time, and trust me, Holi mornings can get a bit chaotic. This morning, while the house was still quiet, I started by boiling chole, rajma, kale chane in my pressure cooker. In the next batch, I'll prep all the potatoes, raw banana, and beets, perfect for multiple Holi recipes. A few months ago, I had organized this cabinet and found stack of unused tissue papers from various flower bouquets that we get. The perfect material for some Pinteresty inspired Holi bunting. So what will you need for this DIY? Some tissue papers or old gift wrap or fabric as well. You can use either gota lace, stapler and scissors. Cut small square pieces out of this tissue paper. Fold this in half and then in quarters, and then using this corner, fold it to make triangles just as shown in the video. Then staple these on gota lace of your choice. I am using golden color gota. If you don't have gota, then you can use a satin ribbon or even a jute rope. I won't lie, this project did take some time, but it was so worth it. It's a simple yet very festive bunting, zero cost and yet so charming. On Holi, we prefer being home and eating home cooked food only. So, pre-prepping few things like filling for baked samosa, which will also work perfect for a next day aloo paratha. This is a little twisted aloo masala filling, unlike the usual aloo paratha or a samosa filling. I have shared a gluten-free baked samosa recipe on my channel, and I will leave the link of that video in the description. Though this potato filling is very simple to make, but here are few pro tips that I want to share. Use a very finely minced ginger, garlic or chili to keep the filling smooth. This will prevent cracking of the samosa or the paratha. Another tip is that please grate all the potatoes, do not mash it, because again it might crack when you are trying to bake the samosas. In a kadai, I will add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and to that I'll add finely chopped onions. To onions, I'll add this masala mix and stir this for 5 to 10 seconds. Add water, splash of water if needed. Then I will add ginger, garlic and chilies which have been finely chopped, along with potato, in which I have already added kalonji and ajwain. Mix everything well. This comes together in less than 2 to 3 minutes time. Add loads of coriander and some roasted kasuri methi. I ordered few Holi essentials online, and also along with the order came a surprise box. It came with a free Holi care package inside. But I was more intrigued by the artwork. It so reminded of Holi. It had some interesting goodies and some little bit of Holi related supplies like detergent, cream, some for any cuts or bruises during Holi colors playing, and a peri peri masala mix. Well, while I am shooting, Ishi is waiting patiently to just grab on these snacks that is coming out of this surprise box. Talking of Ishi, she also requested for a new pichkari as her old one, which was almost 4 years old, broke down last year. And this is a cute one, and it had a donut design and lots of interesting colors on it. I think it's a ice cream cart that is made on it. This also came with some colors and water balloons, though we are not fond of water balloons at all. It's a hazard and it should be avoided completely. I feel so. I ordered some skin-friendly colors, and this came in a very stunning package. It came with a Holi artwork, and behind that there was some Holi puzzle, and this box had 4 different colors. Again, I was so impressed by the packaging of the entire box. It was really beautiful, and I was filled with multiple ideas how to use it. So just stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll show you how I'm going to use these as amazing decor ideas. But for now, I'm packing everything in the same carton box and creating a Holi package before the madness of Holi begins. Like, I like to pack everything ahead of time so that there is no last minute rush on Holi morning. Choosing the right outfit on Holi can keep you comfortable and stylish. Personally, I like to repurpose all our old clothes if at all we are playing Holi colors. And I always give preference to comfort first, like choose all cotton, linen kind of fabric which will absorb the color well and also keep us cool. If at all you are playing with colors, my recommendation is layering is your trick and choose darker colors. Like for Rishi, she is going to play with colors, like it or not. So I am giving her dark color pant and t-shirt. The t-shirt has long sleeves and I will layer it with a swimsuit. It's an old swimsuit and this will avoid any kind of transparency. I'll pack everything inside a carton box. And keep everything ready for the Holi morning. With all the festive indulgence, I like to keep at least one dish light and wholesome. So I am making zero oil bhuna masala that works as a base for multiple dishes. I'll simply saute some whole jeera, onion, tomato, turmeric and salt and add splash of water just in case this does not dry. Cover it and cook it for some time. Meanwhile that's cooking on the stove, I'll do some DIY which I mentioned before using these boxes that we received. I'll cut these flap designs and cut the boxes in a way that the printing on top of it does not show. Tape everything with a cello tape. I'll also use this artwork on this carton box. And this one too. I'll also cut the sides of these to use it as food labels. I'll show you how exactly. I'm using couple of frames around the house and some bright color papers to act as a backdrop for these artwork. Well, if you're enjoying this video, then do consider watching all my previous Holi videos where I have shared detailed recipe ideas, some interesting decor ideas, which is very budget friendly and easy to make. Link of the videos are in the description and on the I button. I am loving this artwork on this bright color yellow paper. It kind of complements with my current house decor as well. Now the masala is almost ready. To this I'll add some jeera powder, dhania powder, black pepper powder and some garam masala. To this I'll also add a tablespoon of besan or sattu and then add a little bit of water, cover and cook till it becomes semi-dry and keep it in an airtight container once it's cooled down. Here's how I folded these boxes. Now nothing is visible, no labels. Now I will carefully stick these artwork with the help of sellotape. Here is another tip for you. If you're using sellotape, take time to stick the sellotape and make it transparent by rubbing it and removing all the air bubbles inside. There's a small little branding patch on this artwork. I am using this wavy zigzag scissors that I have, and I'll cut out all the papers neatly and stick it on the top.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world, lost in a life you never could affirm. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
I'm using different color, bright color papers and sticking these small little cutouts, and using these cutouts I'll create the food labels for my festive tablescape. And that's it for today, guys. From zero cost Holi decor to meal prep hack. I hope this video made your Holi prep easier and more joyful. If you found these ideas helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which part of Holi do you enjoy the most? Food, color or music? I would love to know that. I'll see you next one. Till then, happy Holi. Take care. Bye-bye.